going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. Today we're working on the 50 Merc. I done a little bit of fine work to it last night, and what you can obviously tell is kind of something interesting. So let's dig into her. Let's see what we can get her to do. Alright, y'all, so I just got to thinking, did I wire up them wires correct? So I looked up a diagram and I was like, yeah, everything looks good. But then I noticed I had the diagram upside down. Stupid as that may be, you've seen, that we almost burned the car down because of just being 180 degrees out. So took all the wires back off, read them correct, 1, 5, blah, blah, etc., etc. And I got her to crank up last night about 10:30. I was outside just bored, and I got her to run. So we're going to see if we can get her to run again and see if we can get it to idle. I put on this little, I don't know, it's kind of homemade, rigged up, but I put a gas line on it, and I got my fuel pump hooked up to it, and it ain't coming back out in the carburetor, so the float and everything must be working good since I've rebuilt it, and we're not getting no leaks. I'm gonna see if we can use that for a start and get it to crank. I tried to get some new belts for it, but I ordered them and they got lost somehow, so no belts. And if you remember from the previous Mercury videos from like 4 months ago, it's been a while, I think one or both of the water pumps are leaking, so that's gonna be a little problem, so we're gonna have to rebuild them at some point. But anyways, enough talking, more action. Alright, y'all, let's prime up this carburetor. So we got fuel. Let's turn on the key. Alright, key is on. Now let's let it go. See what happens here. There we go. Awesome. Alright, so we're gonna leave that there for right now. She almost wanted to idle there, so that's awesome. Man. Alright, so that's the first crank, and who knows how long, 30, 40 years. Very much impressed with that. Let me bring y'all in, see if I can set y'all up. And I'm trying not to, crank it up with y'all on the fender because it might vibrate a little bit, but I don't know if y'all can see it too well from where you're at. So I'm gonna bring you in and try it again and see what happens. Alright, let's try that again. I'm hoping I can get it to idle using the starting fluid, at least for a little while anyways, and let it build up some oil pressure and all that good stuff. Man, this has been a pain to get to start, but all along, look how good she starts up. Something else, I tell you. But live and learn. Almost. Come on now. my gas over here. But let's try and build back up the fuel pump maybe. Maybe that's what it is. Build back up the bowl. That, and let's give her a squirt. Alright, let's try that again. Come on now. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Keep trying. It's look at that. Look at that. Come on, baby. There you go. Look at that. Here's Arnold. Look at that. How cool is that? Go ahead and cut it off. You can hear the starter winding, but man, I had to let that go for a second. Oh man, she is wanting to go. She is wanting to go, but I almost had an accident. You look down there, my starting fluid fell down there, but we good by a few, I don't know, what, 5 inches, so we're good. Man, she's idling. Go freaking figure. Man, this is beyond pleasant for me anyways. I mean, I'm sure y'all enjoying this too. I mean, you've seen me fighting with this Mercury for weeks trying to get it to run, and I mean, look at it now, it's idling. So, oh man, that is just crazy. So let's see if we can get it fine-tuned. Maybe since it ain't flooding, let's hook up the fuel pump and see if we can get it to just run by itself, if we can not have the starter hang up. But let's see. Just wanted to point out that the reason why the starter hung back up is when the starting fluid fell down, it hit the wire to the starter and made the solenoid kick back on. So that ain't nothing major. So that's awesome too. So it's looking promising today, y'all. It really is. The old flathead is coming back to life. Makes my day. Alright, y'all, so I advanced the timing and I hooked me up a toggle switch like the same one in the Pontiac, and let's see if we can get it to idle. Key is on. Got fuel. Come on, let's run, let's idle. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. So I'll give it a squirt. let it warm up just a second. Alright, there y'all go. We got some smoke. Sounds good. First time it's running, 40 years it's gonna smoke. Oh yeah. A little smoky. How's that dash? 1950 Mercury. I hear a knock. Let's go ahead and cut the key off. I don't know what that was. She started off good. Then I started hearing something tacking. What was that? Definitely something. I don't know if y'all could hear that. I guess I need to see if she's building up oil pressure or not. That's odd. But she does run. It's first time in 40 years. She was running fine. Now I hear something. I don't know if that's a rod knock or what. But we're gonna dig into her and find out. She's been running now for about 45 seconds. That knocking noise we heard is the hood. It's rattling or something. Take your hand off and you can hear it. That is cool. But she is running, idling good. Sounds good. Let's see if she moves. Got clutch. I think we might have to take her down the road. Alright, so we got her to run. She was running, idling fine. I'm so relieved to find out that that knocking noise is non-existent and it's just the hood. So I'm not really sure why the hood is rattling like that, but I'll worry about that at another time. But she's got gears. She moves forward and backwards, so that's good. Let's maybe try to do some brakes and maybe try and drive it this coming weekend, or should we go back to the Pontiac next weekend? I don't know, but it is what it is. She runs and drives good. She's got good oil pressure. I did check all the gauges is working, so I think we're good. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I upload more videos of the Mercury and Pontiac, etc., just hit the bell notification. Thank y'all. Be blessed.